As the world quickly advances towards digitalization, we are seeing new installment modes that make our lives simple. Credit-only installments are the manner in which forward as the world gradually emerges from the pandemic. Hence, there is a decent opportunity that numerous organizations could begin tolerating cryptographic forms of money. Digital currencies are presently viewed as a type of venture as financial backers hope to procure returns. In the event that the reception rate builds, we can expect the worth of different crypto coins to rise. While it is almost unimaginable for new financial backers to purchase Bitcoin and Ether, a few coins merit considering, like Bittorrent. The coin is at present exchanging great underneath $1 and new financial backers can get it without putting away a lot of cash. Notwithstanding, an expected level of effort is fundamental while putting resources into exceptionally unstable ventures like stocks and offers. It is smarter to grasp what's to come estimates of Bittorrent to go with a sound choice. We will examine the future cost expectations for Bittorrent. It will assist you with understanding where the coin's worth will stand right away. How about we start by getting an outline of Bittorrent? Bittorrent outline. Bittorrent is the organization behind the BTT coin. Notwithstanding cryptographic money, the organization has different undertakings, like uTorrent. BTT's excursion in the market is very not the same as other digital forms of money. It raised more than $7.2 million during the ICO and had the option to sell it in 15 minutes or less. The appeal was because of the publicity made by the Justin Sun Binance stage. Their name behind the undertaking gave it a huge lift, assisting the ICO with selling in 15 minutes or less. The advancement group intends to chip away at certain highlights that will assist it with overwhelming the market. While the coin is exchanging beneath the $1 esteem, specialists foresee an inspirational perspective. Hence, there is plausible that the coin's cost could see monstrous changes in the following couple of years. We should investigate the factual outline of Bittorrent. Notwithstanding being perhaps of the most well-known stage on the web, Bittorrent has attempted to adapt its administration. In 2019, the organization was bought by the Tron establishment, which is a blockchain startup. With this new proprietorship, the organization had the option to extend its convention and boost the exchanging volume of clients. The value expectation of Bittorrent will furnish financial backers with important knowledge into its capability to endure the crypto winter through its market-driving record-sharing convention. The organization has drawn in excess of 100 million clients universally. As indicated by the organization, during its redenomination, it consumed more than 500 billion BTTOLD tokens, which address close to half of its aggregate. The old token was renamed to BTTOLD before it was supplanted in January. Since its market cap has expanded altogether, it has become one of the most amazing performing resources over the most recent couple of years. In this video, we will talk about the value expectation of Bittorrent. The cost of Bittorrent has dropped by 3.32% as of now. It right now has a live market cap of nearly $809 million and is positioned number 210 on CoinMarketCap. The organization has a flowing inventory of around 990 million BTTOLD coins. Bittorrent Value Expectation 2023 specialists are certain that the Bittorrent coin will recuperate and appreciate development toward the finish of 2023. They accept the coin can possibly catch the financial backer's eye. As indicated by the examination from various instruments, the typical exchanging and incentive for the Bittorrent will remain around $0. On the off chance that the market encounters a bull run and the generally speaking crypto market sees a blast, then, at that point, the Bittorrent can exchange as high as $0. In any case, on the off chance that it is the other way around, the coin's worth can slide as low as $0. These progressions are liable to showcase elements since there are no exhibition measurements to decide how the crypto coins will work out from here on out. Thus, financial backers ought to intently screen the patterns to know when it is the perfect opportunity to trade Bittorrent coins. Bittorrent Value Expectation 2024 specialists and financial backers are hopeful about the future viewpoint of Bittorrent. Subsequently, we can hope to see a bullish pattern in its cost, taking into account the outcomes from various cost forecast devices. The typical exchanging worth of the Bittorrent will remain around the $0 in 2024. The most noteworthy incentive for the Bittorrent will probably remain around the $0. On the off chance that the crypto market eases back progress, the most minimal worth anticipated for the coin is $0 the finish of 2024. We can likewise anticipate greater association of digital currency in the monetary framework. It could build the interest for crypto coins, prompting an ascent in their worth. Bittorrent Cost Forecast 2025 as per the cost expectation devices and specialists' examination. Bittorrent can encounter a half expansion in 2025 from the earlier year. The expanded reception of blockchain innovation and digital currency can cause the Bittorrent coin's worth to help. Subsequently, financial backers ought to watch out for the market patterns affecting the Bittorrent esteem. The examination shows that the typical exchanging cost for the Bittorrent coin will remain between $0.0.0000728 in 2025. Examination from the cost forecast instrument shows that the costs of the Bittorrent coin can go as high as $0.0.0000825. The most reduced worth can be around the $0.0.0000710 imprint. Bittorrent Long Haul Figure 2030. The cost expectation devices conjecture the typical exchanging cost of the Bittorrent to remain around $0.2030. It can arrive at the most noteworthy worth of $0, though the Bittorrent coin's cost can remain at the least degree of $0. At the point when we discuss putting resources into crypto, the ideal procedure ought to be to contribute as long as possible. Individuals who put resources into Bitcoin and its underlying days delighted in extraordinary returns. Thusly, you ought to zero in on the higher perspective as opposed to the everyday additions you make on the coins. The Bittorrent coin's cost expectation demonstrates a tremendous change by 2030. Thus, assuming you put resources into the coin today and hang tight for 5 to 7 years, you could appreciate great profits from it. Nonetheless, the costs will change if the crypto market sees a blast or an accident before long. Bittorrent Value Investigation. Bittorrent had a decent beginning after its ICO as its costs saw a steady development. It went from $0 the beginning of 2019 to $0 June. Be that as it may, the cost then saw a slow downfall for the following 2 years. The coin value began to partake in a bullish pattern toward the beginning of 2021. Costs kept on ascending in the initial 4 months of 2021, arriving at an unsurpassed high worth of 1 cent by April 5, 2021. The coin then encountered a negative pattern for the following couple of months, with slight highs and lows till November 2021. After this, the coin value kept on encountering a descending pattern. The cost of Bitcoin Trust tumbled to $0 May 12, 2022. This was brought about by the breakdown of the Landust and Luna tokens. The worth of the token proceeded to fall and arrived at a low of $0 June 18. On June 28, 2022, the cost of Bitcoin turned higher following the market's endeavor to recuperate. It then, at that point, went down to around $0 July prior to recuperating to close at $0. On August 1, 2022, the cost of Bitcoin momentarily hit $0. It then, at that point, fell back to $0 following day. On August 13th, the cost of Bitcoin began to climb from $0 before it hit a high of $0 September 11. On September 19th, the cost of Bitcoin hit its most reduced level of the year at $0. This year, the crypto markets experienced huge instability. Following the FTX breakdown, BlockFi, a monetary administrations organization, petitioned for financial protection in the U.S. The repercussions of this occurrence keep on influencing the business. The worth of the BlockFi token has arrived at a low of $0. Albeit a few financial backers have recuperated a portion of their misfortunes, it is as yet not satisfactory in the event that